Hey there, student loans got complicated. Avalanche versus snowball, income-driven plans, forgiveness counts, recertification deadlines. This is the student loan payoff, IDR, and forgiveness tracker. And it puts all of it on your own numbers in one place. 15 minutes to set up, then 5 minutes a month. Let me walk you through it. This is the dashboard, your whole loan picture on one screen. Total balance, what you're paying, your payoff date under your current plan, your forgiveness progress, and the deadlines coming up. Everything else in the file feeds this page. The Start Here tab lays out the 5 setup steps in order, and the one rule this workbook lives by. It doesn't know your program's rules and never pretends to. Every threshold and percentage is a cell you fill in from your own servicer. Next is Settings. You put in your name, your start month, the extra you can put toward loans each month, your income-driven plan figures, and how many qualifying payments your forgiveness program needs versus how many you've been credited. Nothing is hard-coded. The Loans tab is one row per loan: nickname, servicer, type, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. You'll find all 6 on your servicer's website. This is the foundation everything else calculates from. The payment log is your monthly habit. One row per payment. It's what keeps your balances and your progress honest over time. Strategy Compare is the heart of the file. It puts avalanche, snowball, and doing nothing side by side on your own numbers, the interest you'd pay, and the date you'd be done under each, so you can see, in dollars, what your strategy is actually costing or saving you. The avalanche plan is the month-by-month working behind the highest interest-first approach, the one that saves you the most money. The snowball plan is the same, working for smallest balance first, the one that gives you a quicker first win and the momentum that comes with it. And minimum only shows you the cost of doing nothing, paying just the minimums, so you can see exactly what inertia costs. The IDR estimator works out what an income-driven payment would look like from the figures you typed and, importantly, tells you whether that payment even covers your interest or whether your balance would grow. The forgiveness counter is where you track qualifying payments month by month, whether you made a payment and whether you were in qualifying employment. 20 minutes scrolling your bank statements can buy back forgiveness, credit you didn't know you'd lost. The employment log records your certified qualifying employment, so when it's time to prove your forgiveness count, you have the dates in one place. Recert and Deadlines counts down to your annual recertification and gives you a ladder of dates, so you start the paperwork before it's urgent, because a missed recert can reset your progress. The Forgiveness Tax tab prices the bill that can land when a balance is forgiven, so a life-changing forgiveness doesn't become a surprise tax bomb. And the Refinance check helps you see whether refinancing actually helps, and warns you where it would cost you federal protections and forgiveness eligibility you can't get back. And that's the whole workbook. It comes loaded with sample figures, so you can see everything working before you clear it out and put in your own, and it runs in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. It's not advice. It's a place to keep your own numbers and see what they add up to. If that would help, the link to grab it is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.